Unlink Social Club from Epic Games. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can unlink Social Club from Epic Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to unlink your Social Club from Epic Games, there are two things I want you to try. First of all, open your browser and then just go to epicgames.com and make sure to log into your account. When you go to epicgames.com and log into your account, click your profile icon from here and then just navigate to this option known as account, as you can find here. Once you come to account, you're going to be able to land on this page where what you basically need to do is simply go to apps and accounts. When you go to apps and accounts, if your Rockstar account is linked and if you're lucky, you should be able to find them here, and then you'll be able to disconnect them from this page. But if you don't see them over here, what you want to do is instead go to support.rockstargames.com, which I'll make sure to drop a link below. Select Social Club over here, select Social Club account, select account linking. Once you select account linking, you can simply enter your PSN ID or gamer tag, or maybe you can also basically enter your Social Club nickname. In the description box, you just want to let them know that you would like to unlink your Epic Games account, so make sure to provide them your Epic Games account ID or your email address or username, and then just hit the submit web ticket option. They will generally reply to you within 24 hours with a positive solution. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.